This is Diane Null, and she is the director of the Hancock County Little Theater Christmas Choir. And Diane, would you like to tell us about the choir and what some of the selections you were doing?
Well, our choir members come from various communities, not only Hancock County, but Kossuth County right across the border there. We've got some members from Wesley. We've got people from Canala, Corwith, Britt, Garner, and we even had somebody who joined our choir who was formerly a member today, and she came from Shell Rock to be with us today. She enjoys singing with us so much. The way that I've selected the music is we have, for the past 15-20 years, been performing, and I have two big folders of music, and I try to vary the selections. Some are challenging, some are fun and easy, some are sacred, some are secular, and I try to make it enjoyable for the choir as well as for the audience.